The serene backyard awakens in the soft golden light of sunrise, bathed in a tranquil glow. A gentle descent reveals the lush green lawn, vibrant and alive in the morning light. Beneath the surface, a dark, earthy, subterranean world unfolds, hidden from the sun. Glowing, intricate lines, like a living neural network, begin to emerge, pulsing with an inner light. These luminous pathways weave through the soil, connecting the gnarled roots of ancient trees. A mysterious voice whispers, "What if I told you there's a secret internet under your feet?" In his home office, the narrator sits amidst a symphony of technological hums, a curious, slightly disheveled figure. Multiple computer monitors glow, displaying intricate data visualizations and vibrant network maps. He gestures towards the screen, a blend of excitement and disbelief etched across his face. Leaning closer, his finger traces a particularly dense cluster of glowing lines. He reveals a startling truth. Not made of cables, not powered by Wi-Fi, but built by mushrooms. The narrator declares, "Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web." The revelation hangs in the air. The camera descends, returning to the secret world beneath the backyard, a pulsating fungal network. The vibrant network now pulses with an intense, otherworldly glow, hinting at data flowing through its complex veins. As glowing lines expand, the true scale of this interconnected system is revealed, stretching far beyond imagination. And this week, I used AI to map the hidden fungal network under my own backyard. What it revealed, I was not prepared.
Mycelium consists of microscopic fungal threads, forming extensive networks beneath the soil surface. These intricate structures are a foundational biological infrastructure for forest ecosystems. The mycelial networks grow and spread, permeating the soil with their thread-like hyphae. They play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and decomposition within the forest. This subterranean network connects plants, facilitating nutrient and water exchange. Mycelium is essential for maintaining the health and resilience of forest environments. Mycelial threads, part of fungi, form intricate networks within the soil. These threads establish symbiotic connections with plant roots, creating mycorrhizal associations. This partnership facilitates the efficient transfer of essential nutrients from the soil to plant. Key nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen are absorbed by the fungi and delivered to the plants. In return, plants provide carbohydrates, produced through photosynthesis, to nourish the fungi. Mycelial networks, beyond nutrient exchange, facilitate vital chemical signaling among trees. These intricate underground connections serve as communication pathways for the forest ecosystem. Trees utilize these networks to transmit crucial warning signals regarding environmental stressors. Such signals can alert neighboring trees to threats like pest infestations or disease outbreaks. This early warning system enables a coordinated and collective defense response within the forest community. The chemical signals ensure the resilience and survival of the interconnected forest organism. The sleek laptop screen glows, revealing intricate AI model simulations, a vibrant dance of algorithms and data streams. A scientist's hands meticulously place delicate soil moisture sensors into the rich, dark earth of a manicured yard. Micro-temperature probes and nutrient monitors are precisely embedded, each movement focused and deliberate. I installed soil, moisture sensors, micro-temperature probes, and nutrient monitors across my yard. The scientist's voice echoes. The laptop screen pulses with an urgent, frantic energy, displaying rapidly updating graphs and numerical readouts. A mesmerizing visualization of a sophisticated neural network, the AI model hums with activity, processing a deluge of information. On a separate section, a 3D animation of the underground environment begins to materialize. A skeletal grid solidifying. Tiny luminous data points steadily fill in the structure, bringing the subterranean world to life. The scientist's voice echoes. Then, I fed the data into an AI model trained to detect fungal growth patterns. On the laptop screen, a 3D underground scanning animation grid rapidly completes its intricate design. It unveils a glowing, interconnected network of structures, pulsing with a subtle, otherworldly energy. I lean in, my eyes wide with a potent mix of astonishment and rising excitement. The abstract data transforms into a vivid, complex map of something unexpected and alive beneath the earth. A voice whispers, "Within 48 hours, the AI started mapping something incredible." A 3D holographic map visualizes an underground environment, revealing complex biological networks. This map illustrates a dense network of glowing threads beneath the surface, connecting various elements. It represents a complex fungal superhighway, a critical component of subterranean ecosystem. The visualization highlights thousands of microscopic connections between diverse plant species. This intricate system facilitates nutrient exchange and communication within the ecosystem. The holographic map reveals intricate microscopic details within its connection points. Fungal threads are observed intertwining with plant roots at a microscopic level. This interaction highlights the presence of distinct fungal clusters within the root system. At least 3 dominant fungal clusters have been identified in this specific view. These clusters are recognized as mycorrhizal species, crucial for plant health. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships, benefiting both the fungi and the host plant roots. A data visualization interface displays a previously observed fungal network. Indicators on the interface show the fungal network's real-time activity levels. The network activity was being monitored for operational intensity. Unexpectedly, the data visualization shows a significant spike in activity. This spike indicates a sudden and unexplained increase in the fungal network's intensity. The surge in activity represents a deviation from expected operational patterns. An AI interface monitors a simulated plant ecosystem, displaying complex data visualizations. Fluctuating graph lines indicate dynamic processes within a specific section of the ecosystem. The system detects increased carbon transfer, a vital metabolic activity in plants. Simultaneously, elevated chemical signaling is observed, suggesting intercellular communication. This combined activity is flagged by the AI as stress communication, highlighting an anomaly. The AI's analysis identifies a potential stress response within the simulated plant environment. Below the soil surface, complex fungal networks extend their hyphae. These networks establish connections with the root systems of various plants. When a plant, such as a tree, experiences stress, the network detects this condition. The fungal network then actively reroutes essential nutrients from healthier, nearby plants. This demonstrates an adaptive response, providing support to the struggling tree through nutrient transfer. Fungal networks facilitate coordinated nutrient transfer between plants within an ecosystem. This network acts as a resource manager, not merely a growth organism. It strategically allocates vital resources among connected plants. This allocation supports the health of individual plants under stress. Resource transfer can occur even before external stress symptoms become apparent. This demonstrates a complex, proactive system of ecological support. Ecologists have uncovered a complex, cooperative system beneath forest floors. Trees form symbiotic relationships with extensive underground fungal networks. These networks are often referred to as the wood wide web. They facilitate the exchange of vital resources such as carbon, water, and nutrients. This interconnected system fosters a highly cooperative and resilient forest ecosystem. Within forest networks, mother trees play a crucial ecological role. They prioritize the distribution of vital resources, especially carbon. This targeted allocation supports younger or struggling seedlings. It ensures the growth and survival of the next generation of trees. Fungal networks function as a decentralized biological internet within ecosystems. This natural system operates without the need for electrical power or servers. It facilitates constant communication and resource transfer across the forest floor. This represents an advanced evolutionary solution for enhancing ecosystem resilience. A seemingly simple backyard environment represents a complex natural system. Beneath the surface, a vast and interconnected network of biological elements exists. This network includes microorganisms, fungi, insects, and plant roots. These components interact in intricate ways, influencing soil health and nutrient cycles. Such interactions are crucial for supporting the visible plant life above ground. Even small natural spaces harbor significant ecological complexity. A forest ecosystem demonstrates a vast scale of natural connectivity. This environment showcases intricate and extensive networks of life. These complex interconnections have evolved over millions of years. Such large natural environments highlight profound ecological relationships. Human-engineered communication networks are artificial systems designed for connectivity. These networks facilitate information exchange and interaction within human societies. In contrast, Natural ecological networks represent nature's perfected systems for connectivity. Developed over vast evolutionary timescales, they exhibit high efficiency and sustainability. Comparing these networks offers valuable lessons for human design and ecosystem interaction.
Communication in nature extends beyond verbal language, encompassing diverse biological and chemical processes. These intricate interactions form a complex web, crucial for ecosystem function and stability. This non-verbal communication is fundamental for the survival of various life forms. It facilitates essential processes like nutrient exchange, defense, and reproduction. Organisms utilize signals such as pheromones, electrical impulses, and symbiotic relationships. Understanding these natural communication networks reveals the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Fungi, like mushrooms, engage in complex communication, not through words, but through biochemical means. This communication involves the exchange of nutrients and intricate chemical signals within their networks. Such biochemical dialogue facilitates cooperation, enabling resource sharing with plants. This interaction exemplifies a sophisticated form of ecological communication and interdependence. Ecosystems are characterized by intricate systems of nutrient and chemical exchange. This exchange highlights a critical principle. No single entity in nature thrives in isolation. Interdependence is a foundational aspect of ecological stability. Various organisms contribute to a shared network of life. Each organism benefits from this interconnected web. This mutual reliance ensures the health and resilience of the entire ecosystem.